The pickup truck market isn't in crisis. It's the truck makers who are to blame for their slow sales and the greed involved. Overproduction and annual price hikes have flooded lots of pickups, and these are the 5 models dealers hate selling this year. Number 5, Honda Ridgeline. The Honda Ridgeline is a unique truck in the market thanks to a different approach that sets it apart from other pickups. However, that also made it a challenging sell as most truckers aren't interested in the unibody platform. Yes, the unique construction provides several advantages, but buyers looking for a vehicle that'll get heavy-duty tasks done won't consider the Ridgeline. Unlike the body-on-frame design found in most trucks, the unibody architecture integrates the body and frame into a single structure. This concept makes the Ridgeline drive more like an SUV or car with smoother handling than the rest of the midsize pickup world. However, truck buyers more often value durability and capability above comfort, and this is where Honda's approach falls short. The unibody platform limits the Ridgeline's towing capacity, which maxes out at 5,000 pounds. All other models in the same class can do more than 7,000 pounds, with the Chevy Colorado leading the pack with 7,700 pounds of towing capacity. Additionally, concerns about durability arise with the unibody design as it's less suited for handling heavy loads or rough terrain compared to traditional body-on-frame trucks. Honda's engineering and reliability are well known, but it's all about the architecture that draws buyers away. Despite these challenges, the Ridgeline is not without its strengths. It's powered by a proven 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. The pickup also can offer competitive fuel efficiency with EPA estimates of 18 mpg in the city and 24 mpg on the highway. Honda keeps the Ridgeline lineup simple. A double cab configuration is standard across all trims. There are 4 grades available starting from the Sport model. The RTL trim adds more premium touches. The Trail Sport will attract off-road adventurers, and the Black Edition features exclusive design elements. Price is another reason why dealers hate selling the Ridgeline, as its starting MSRP is $40,150. At that price, you can get a much larger and more powerful half-tonner. Number 4, Hyundai Santa Cruz. Here's another bold and innovative approach that still can't fight its way into the pickup truck class. Despite modern design and versatility, the market for compact models is still relatively small. It's funny to say that the Hyundai Santa Cruz is up against tough competition with only one other major player in this category. Still, of those truckers who decided to get one of those two, more than 80% picked the Ford Maverick. The Santa Cruz offers a couple of engine configurations trying to cover a wider public. The base option is a 2.5-liter inline-4 producing 199 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque. Hyundai also offers a turbo engine with an impressive 281 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. While these powertrains offer solid performance, they struggle to compete with the Ford Maverick when it comes to fuel efficiency. The lack of a hybrid powertrain is a significant disadvantage for the Santa Cruz. As more trucks, including compact models, adopt this technology, the expectation for fuel efficiency in this segment continues to grow. The Maverick Hybrid has set a high bar with an EPA estimated 42 mpg in the city and 33 mpg on the highway, making it a clear favorite among buyers who prioritize efficiency. The Santa Cruz, relying solely on gasoline-powered engines, falls short with 22 and 26 mpg. Pricing is the final hurdle for those who want to own a Hyundai truck. A starting MSRP of $28,650 isn't what we'd expect from a compact pickup. The Maverick is priced from $26,395. With a lower entry point and all the fuel savings the hybrid unit brings, there's an obvious reason why the Santa Cruz stays at dealer lots while the Maverick flies off the shelves. If you decide to buy it, there are also 4 more grades available: SEL, SEL Activity, XRT, and Limited. At least all-wheel drive is standard for packages priced over $40,000. Number 3, Toyota Tacoma. The truck that has been long celebrated for its reliability is facing growing challenges, making it increasingly difficult to sell. A key reason is the controversial decision to replace the beloved V6 engine with a turbocharged 4-cylinder a few years ago. While the new 2.4-liter turbo comes with better specs, it hasn't won over fans. Buyers have a deep attachment to the V6, valuing its durability and naturally aspirated power. The Turbo 4 may be more efficient and potent on paper, but it struggles to match the emotional connection truck enthusiasts had with the 6-pot unit. Another major factor impacting Toyota Tacoma sales is the introduction of the hybrid variant. While innovative, the truck market is not yet fully embracing this technology. Even an impressive 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque aren't enough to make the pickup tow more than 6,000 pounds with a hybrid setup. Decreasing sales numbers reflect the hesitation, with more Tacomas sitting on dealership lots for longer periods. The hybrid's high price tag doesn't help either, starting at $46,320. Even the base SR SR trim with a turbo engine, priced at $31,590, is more approachable, but the price climbs steeply as you move up the range. The MSRP of the popular SR5 trim is $36,220. Here's a fun fact. The top-of-the-line Trail Hunter and TRD Pro packages, off-road specialists priced around $63,000, are selling quickly and rarely remain in stock at dealerships. Buyers drawn to the Tacoma's legendary 4x4 capabilities are willing to pay a premium, even if it means waiting for delivery. Number 2. Jeep Gladiator. The Gladiator is a truck that initially drew attention with its unique appeal and the excitement surrounding Jeep's return to the pickup segment. However, as time has passed, its shortcomings have become more apparent, making it a tough sell in today's competitive market. Outdated styling and features are just some of the reasons why dealers hate selling the Jeep Gladiator. When it launched, the truck rode a wave of hype, combining Jeep's off-road prowess with the practicality of a pickup. However, that initial enthusiasm has waned and sales have been steadily declining in recent years. Buyers are now looking for pickups that offer better fuel economy, superior towing capabilities, and more comfort for daily use. The Gladiator's heavy focus on off-road performance is a double-edged sword. While it shines in tough conditions, most truck buyers need a vehicle that balances off-road capability with everyday functionality. The Gladiator's design also has practical limitations that make it even harder to sell. The bed is smaller than what you'd find on most pickups, which reduces its utility for hauling and carrying larger loads. Build quality is another concern, as the pickup doesn't exude durability or refinement. Also, the rear seat space is somewhat cramped, making it less comfortable for passengers. Not everything about the Jeep Gladiator is bad though. The company has wisely dropped the Turbo 4 in favor of the more robust 3.6-liter V6, a fan favorite that produces 285 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. Gearheads will love it for its manual gearbox, as the Gladiator is one of the rare vehicles with a stick nowadays. But a reliable and powerful drivetrain can make up for the starting price of $38,695, which further complicates the sales. At this level, buyers have access to mid-sized trucks that offer better towing capacities, higher fuel efficiency, and greater overall value. Like every Jeep, the Gladiator shines in customization. Factory options are wide but can become expensive, and enthusiasts who enjoy personalizing their rides will love that most aftermarket parts designed for the Wrangler SUV are also compatible with a pickup truck. Number 1. AntiElectric Truck. EVs represent a huge technological leap in the automotive industry, promising clean energy, instant torque, and reduced environmental impact. However, despite these advancements, selling electric trucks remains one of the hardest tasks dealers are facing nowadays. First of all, there's skepticism surrounding new technology. Traditional truckers prefer reliable solutions, and EVs still feel like an unproven gamble to many. Not only that, but electric rigs struggle to capture the rugged appeal that traditional models embody. Trucks are more than towing machines. They're also symbols of durability and strength, while electric pickups represent high-end tech and innovations. Let's set aside nostalgia and focus on how the new technology delivers on performance. Towing capabilities are a challenge. Impressive torque figures are there, but hauling heavy loads drastically reduces their range. Existing range anxiety intensifies. For truckers who rely on their vehicles for work or travel, the inconvenience of limited range and the time required to recharge can be deal breakers. Even with a fast charging network expanding, charging the battery still takes significantly longer than refueling a gas tank, and the infrastructure is another significant barrier. There are more charging stations, but it's still far from matching the convenience of gas stations. In rural areas where trucks are often most popular, charging stations can be sparse or non-existent. However, the primary reason why dealers hate to sell electric trucks is the high cost of entry. EVs are significantly more expensive than their gas-powered counterparts, largely due to the cost of batteries. The Ford F-150 Lightning starts from $62,995. The Ram 1500 Rev costs $69,995, and Tesla Cybertrucks come with a $79,990 price tag. Given the high prices and all the other factors at play, it's no surprise that electric trucks linger on dealership lots far longer than traditional ICE models. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.